Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the grilled chicken without any spices. For the people who don't like it with the spices or the spices are making them tired. And if you like it with the spices, will appear card now on how to make the grilled chicken with the spices. Now to continue the video, do you know how we will make it? To make it, here we have 2 chickens and we washed them and cleaned them very well. And here we have 4 onion, we cut it into small pieces. And here we have hill powder, black pepper and salt. Now I will take in the mixer, I will add the onion and I will mix it in the mixer very well. After we finish the onion, I will add the salt, black pepper and the powder hill in the onion and I will stir them. Here I will take the chicken, I will make one behind you. I will take some of the mixture and I will start to make the chicken with it. I will enter the mixture inside the chicken. Then I will take with my hand some of the mixture like you can see now. And I will put it up and down the chicken. Then with a small foil paper I will close the legs you can see now. Here I have the tray and now I will put the chicken inside this tray and I will make the other one and I will put it in the tray. And while you finish the video and you get any difficulty in making this chicken or making anything in the channel, you can write it in the comments and I will answer you. And also don't forget to like for the video and subscribe to my channel to get every new I am uploading in the channel. Now I add the chicken in the tray with the other chicken and I will drop the rest of the mixture on them. And I will add some small pieces of the white onion in the tray and I will close it with a foil paper and you will enter in the oven on the high degree. And I wish you are getting enjoyment while you are watching my videos. So don't forget to share it with all your friends to try to make everything I'm making in the channel. And I will leave you with the video. Here we have the grilled chicken without any spices. Don't forget to try to make it because everyone will like it in the home. You can make it on the dinner. So don't forget to write your comment and share the video, subscribe to my channel and like for the video, and bye, see you in the next video.